Hey guys, Harshal here. Today we'll learn some basics of Ubuntu Linux, which includes commands and how they work with functionality. You guys may be knowing that Ubuntu and other Linux operating systems generally work on CLI, that is command line interface. So let's get started. First of all, open terminal where we'll learn to execute commands. The first command we'll learn is ls command, which shows you the list of all the folders or directories you have in the home directory. It is pretty similar to the file explorer in Windows where you find desktop, documents, downloads, folders. The next command you will learn is cd command, which is change directory. It helps you to get in different folders and get out of it. So it also helps you to switch between the folders. So I'm taking an example to show you. I'm heading on to the downloads folder. So cd downloads, hit enter. Here you can get the confirmation that you're in the download folder. And if you want to check what all files you have in the download folder, use ls command. So I don't have any files in the download folder. So now I'll show you how to create a file in the download folder or in any folder. So to create a file, use mkdir, which is make directory space the folder name, folder or the directory name. So you can give as, I'm giving it as Ubuntu, hit enter. The folder has been created, and if you want to check that if the folder is created or not, use ls command, hit enter. You'll see that Ubuntu folder is created in the downloads folder in the home directory. So now if you want to navigate into Ubuntu folder, use cd command, type Ubuntu and hit enter. Now you're in the Ubuntu folder in the downloads folder in the home directory. And now here you want to create a file, not a folder. Check out the vocabulary. I am telling us file, not folder. So now if you want to create a file, use touch command or gedit command. There's a gedit also command. Gedit is a text editor, pretty similar to Notepad or WordPad in Windows. And touch is a command where you will not find an interface to write anything. It will just create a file. It won't do anything. And gedit, I'll show you with an example. So touch is a command and type the file name. I am giving it as a.py, a Python file. Hit enter. Here you won't find an interface, and if you use gedit b.py, you will get an interface. You'll get a notepad type interface where you can type a command print hello. So it might not be visible for you. I've typed this print hello and save. Click save and close it. So you have to do it manually, but in the touch you won't find any interface. And if you want to list that a.py or b.py is created or not, use ls command. You will see a.py is also created using the touch command, and b.py is also created using the gedit command. But in the touch command you won't find any interface to write, but in the gedit you will find the interface to write. And now if you want to write in the a.py command, use the gedit a.py. A.py file will open in the interface, and you can write any code you want. And if you want to check what a.py contains without opening an interface in the command terminal, use cat command, cat a.py. As you know, you don't have any codes or any statement written in a.py, so there is nothing in that. But we have written a code print hello in b.py. So check in b.py if that code is there or not. You will see here without opening an interface in the command line what all is written in the file. You can check by interface also using the gedit command, gedit b.py. You'll definitely find it. Here you can edit as well, but here you don't have the permission to edit in the cat file. Here you can only read the file. The next command I'll show you is how to get out of the cd command, how to get out of the Ubuntu folder, how to get out of the downloads folder and again come to home directory. For that, use the cd space dash dash command. You will come back as you use the back button in the browser or in the folders. You use the back button. It is pretty similar in the way. Use cd space dash dash to come out of the downloads folder. Here you use cd ubuntu to get in the folder. Here you use cd double dash to get out of the folder. And now if you want to check where you are, use the pwd command. Pwd command show you are in the home directory in the Harshal folder. Okay, so the pwd command helps you to check in which folder you are. If you want to check the pwd command in the downloads folder, so I'll show you that also. So now you are in the downloads folder, and now if you want to check that you are in which folder, pwd is a command. So now you will see you're in the home directory in the Harshal folder in the downloads folder. Okay, so if you think this messy, the terminal is too messy, you can use the clear command to clear the whole entire stuff out of it. So if you hit enter, the previous commands will be cleared, but you can navigate to the previous commands using the arrow keys upper and downward. Okay, so now I'll show you how to remove a folder. We learn how to make a folder using the mkdir command. Now I'll show you how to remove a folder and how to remove a file as well. So let me check if I have a file in downloads folder. No, yeah, I have a folder in download folder. So let me head on to cd ubuntu. So now I'm in the Ubuntu folder and let me list all the files. Yeah, so we have a.py and b.py. So now I'm going to remove a.py and b.py as well. So let me show you. Let me create one more file, touch.c.py. Yeah, so now we have 3 files, and let me show you. If you want to delete one file at a time, so use rm and give the file name as a.py. Let me remove a.py. So rm a.py is a command. So if you hit enter and if you check if the file is removed or not, use ls command. So you will see that a.py is removed. But if you have multiple files, you have 50,000 thousands of files in this name. See, let me create one more, touch d.py, touch g.py. So if you see, now we have 4 files, and if you want to remove all of them at one single go, so rm, yeah, so you have to use rm space star. So now if you check ls, you don't have any file. All the files here are been removed. And if you want to remove a single file, use rm and space the file name. Okay, so again I'm clearing it. If you want to remove the folder name ubuntu, so now I'm in the download folder, and you can find the folder ubuntu. So if you want to remove the folder, use rmdir. To make the folder we use mkdir. To remove the folder we use rmdir. Rmdir space the folder name as ubuntu and hit enter. Now if you want to check if the folder is removed or not, use ls command. The folder is successfully removed. So now if you want to come out of the downloads folder to home directory, use cd command .. You are in the home directory. And if you want to check, pwd is the command. You are in the home directory in the Harshal folder. Yeah. And now I will show you how to switch to root. If you are new to the concept of root, let me tell you, some of the commands needs the admin privilege to execute. So to switch to root command, the command is sudo space -i. Here you will ask for the password, which in my case is ubuntu. Hit enter. So now you are root, and if you want to check who you are, use the who am I command to know who you are. So here you can see you are a root. So in the Linux operating system, root is the main boss of every command interface, every user, you can say. Root has all the power, whole power of the Linux to execute commands, to do any of the stuff on the Linux. So you, for now, if you are root, you don't need to type sudo 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 again and again. You can do whole stuff without sudo command. I will come again with a new video on showing you more tricks on the Linux. So that's it from my side. If you face any problem executing these commands, do comment down in the comment section. I will help you out. And if you are loving the content, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much.